Hey there, wonderful moms and dads. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some essential tips for new moms. Whether you're navigating the challenges of coping with your new baby, trying to catch up on much-needed sleep, or figuring out how to ask for help, we've got you covered. Let's explore these tips in detail to help you on your journey into parenthood. Welcoming a new baby into your life is a joyous but challenging experience. As a new mum, you'll need to adjust to a whole new routine while caring for your little one. Here are some detailed and elaborative tips to help you cope with your new baby, get enough sleep, and effectively ask for help. How to cope with the new baby. 1. Understand and accept your emotions. Normalize your feelings. It's normal to feel overwhelmed, anxious, or even a little sad after your baby arrives. These feelings are part of the adjustment process. Recognize that it's okay to have a range of emotions and that you're not alone. Postpartum blues versus depression. Understand the difference between the baby blues and postpartum depression. Baby blues are common and usually resolve within a few weeks, but if you experience persistent feelings of sadness, anxiety, or hopelessness, seek professional help. 2. Establish a routine. Create predictability. Having a daily routine can help you and your baby feel more secure and organized. While newborns can be unpredictable, a loose schedule for feeding, sleeping, and playtime can provide structure. Flexible approach. Be flexible and willing to adjust the routine as needed. Every baby is different, and what works one day might not work the next. 3. Bond with your baby. Skin-to-skin contact. Spend time holding your baby close, especially during feeding times. Skin-to-skin contact helps strengthen your bond and can soothe your baby. Talk and sing. Engage with your baby by talking, singing, and making eye contact. This interaction supports your baby's cognitive and emotional development. 4. Self-care. Prioritize self-care. Taking care of yourself is crucial. Even small acts of self-care, like taking a shower, enjoying a cup of tea, or going for a short walk, can help you feel more balanced. Healthy lifestyle. Eat nutritious meals, stay hydrated, and find time for light exercise. These habits can improve your energy levels and overall well-being. 5. Connect with other moms. Support groups. Join local or online support groups for new moms. Sharing experiences and advice with others who are going through similar challenges can be incredibly comforting and helpful. How to get enough sleep. 1. Sleep when the baby sleeps. Nap time. Try to rest or nap whenever your baby is sleeping. Even short naps can help you recharge and compensate for the fragmented sleep at night. Housework can wait. Prioritize sleep over household chores. It's more important for you to rest and regain energy than to have a spotless house. 2. Share nighttime duties. Partner involvement. If possible, share nighttime responsibilities with your partner. Taking turns to feed, change diapers, or soothe the baby can help both of you get more rest. Feeding schedule. If you're breastfeeding, consider pumping milk so your partner can handle some of the nighttime feedings. 3. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Calm atmosphere. Keep the bedroom dark, cool, and quiet to promote better sleep. Consider using white noise machines or fans to block out disturbances. Comfortable bedding. Ensure your bed is comfortable. Invest in good quality pillows and a mattress that supports restful sleep. 4. Sleep routine for baby. Bedtime routine. Establish a calming bedtime routine for your baby, such as a warm bath, gentle rocking, or a lullaby. Consistency helps signal to your baby that it's time to sleep. Swaddle and save sleep. Swaddling can help your baby feel secure and sleep longer. Always place your baby on their back to sleep to reduce the risk of SIDS. How to ask for help. 1. Identify your needs. Specific tasks. Identify specific areas where you need help, whether it's cooking, cleaning, running errands, or caring for the baby. knowing exactly what you need makes it easier to ask for assistance. Emotional support. Don't overlook the need for emotional support. Sometimes, a listening ear or a comforting presence can be just as important as practical help. 2. Communicate clearly. Direct requests. Be direct and clear when asking for help. Instead of general statements like, "I need help," specify what you need, such as, "Can you watch the baby for an hour while I nap?" Express gratitude. Show appreciation for the help you receive. A simple thank you goes a long way in maintaining a supportive network. 3. Utilize your support network. Family and friends. Don't hesitate to lean on family and friends. They are often eager to help but may not know what you need unless you tell them. Professional help. Consider hiring professional services if needed, such as a postpartum doula, cleaning service, or a lactation consultant. 4. Join community resources. Parenting classes and groups. Many communities offer resources for new parents, including parenting classes, support groups, and childcare services. Take advantage of these resources for additional support and education. 5. Online support. Virtual communities. Join online forums or social media groups for new moms. These platforms provide a space to share experiences, ask questions, and receive support from a larger community. Conclusion. Coping with a new baby, getting enough sleep, and asking for help are critical components of a new mom's journey. By understanding your baby's needs, creating a flexible routine, prioritizing self-care, and effectively communicating your needs, you can navigate this challenging yet rewarding phase with confidence. Remember, it's okay to seek help and take time for yourself. Taking care of your well-being is essential for being the best mum you can be. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope these tips for coping with your new baby, getting enough sleep, and asking for help have been helpful. Remember, taking care of yourself is just as important as taking care of your baby. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more parenting advice and support. And don't forget to share your experiences or ask any questions in the comments below. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.